Hello children, myself Mrs. Sarthi. Children, these many days we have completed 12 topics of GK. Children, in this session we are going to study another more 3 topics children, that is indoor games and how to be healthy and odd one out children. So children, first now we are going to study about indoor games. Children, in games also there are 2 types of games children. Indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games means the games which are played inside the home, and the outdoor games the games which are played outside the home children, that is called outdoor games. Indoor games are chess, ludo, carom. These are indoor games. Cricket, football, basketball, these all we will play outside, that is in the playground we will play children. So they are called outdoor games. So children, now we are going to study about indoor games. Indoor games. Games which are played inside home or club are called indoor games. Some indoor games are chess, table tennis, carom, etc. So children, I have told you that the games which are played inside the home or club are called indoor games. And the examples of indoor games are children chess, table tennis and carom. Children, now I will show you some of the indoor games here children. What you call this game children? What is the name of this game? Do you know? Have you ever played this game? This is called Snake and the Ladder children. This is the game called Snake and the Ladder. Next, what is this game children? What is this game? This is a chessboard children. In this we will play chess. And next, what it is children? It's a game called Ludo. This is a Ludo game children. These are the indoor games which I have shown you children. Now let us study what they have given in the textbook children. So now open all of you page number 244. Children, open page number 244 of your semester book. And the heading you are seeing is what children? It is the heading called indoor games. Indoor games. Now we should identify the picture and you should fill these gaps with the names. Are you ready with me to write children? Yes, I hope you all are ready with me to write the games names. First picture you see children, what is the game? Are you able to recognize? Have you ever played this game children? This game is called what? This game is called dart. So in the gap what I should write? Dart. D-A-R-T. D-A-R-T. This game is called dart. So next game is what children? Next they have shown the arrow mark. You should recognize it children. I have shown you this picture now children. This game is what? This game is called chess. So I will write in the gap C-H-E-S-S. C-H-E-S-S. Chess. Third game you see children. What is this game? See. Have you ever played this? There are alphabets written here children. So what is this game called? This game is called scramble. So S-C-R-A-M-B-L-E. Scramble. This game is called what children? This game name is scramble. Fourth you see children, what it is? This game is called, I have shown you that picture no. This game is called, think it, what its name? Yes, it's the game called Ludo. So I will write the here as L-U-D-O. Ludo. These are the 4 games we have studied children. The 4 games which we have studied is called dart. D-A-R-T, dart. C-H-E-S-S, chess. Scramble, S-C-R-A-M-B-L-E, scramble. Ludo, L-U-D-O, Ludo. Children, you should able to recognize the picture and you should try to write its spelling children. So, you should practice all these spellings Dart, chess, scramble and ludo. You should able to recognize that picture and you should write its spelling correctly. Practice these spellings one more time in the homework notebook, children. Next topic what we are going to study now, it's the topic name is how to be healthy. 14th topic is how to be healthy. How we should be healthy. So open page number 245. Page number 245 and the lesson name is how to be healthy. So children, by eating what we get energy and we will be healthy. That we are going to study now. We can remain healthy if we eat good food and exercise every day. Yes, it's correct, no children. If we do exercise and we have our whatever food, fruits, vegetables, if we had correctly means we will remain very healthy. Drinking a lot of water is also good for health. Children, it's very good to drink water. Daily 7 to 8 glasses of water you should drink daily, children. You should have a good food and good water will keep us very strong and healthy. Now let us study to remain healthy. What are the good foods we should eat? Circle the foods that are good for us. Children, you should circle the food which are very good for us. So now let us study, children. What are the foods we should eat? See children, what it is? These are the grains, children. Is it good for us or not? Yes, it is good. So you should circle it, children. You should circle it. Next is what? Chips. Is chips good for us? No. These chips are not good for health. What is next? Next is finger fries, children. That is finger chips. Is finger chips good for us? No. It's a bad. So you should not make a round. Next is what, children? Next is fruits. Are fruits and vegetables good for health? Next is fruits. Fruits are good for health, no children. So what I should do? You will circle it like this. It is a good food. Next is what? Next is what, children? Next is milk. Is milk is good for us or not? Yes, you should drink milk every day. It is good. So you should circle it. Next is what, children? Is it good? It is not a good. What it is? It's a drink, children. It's a some called drink, somewhat drink. So this drink and these chips are not good for health. Next is what? It's a vegetables. You should eat vegetables, children. So it's a good for health. So you should make a circle. Next is what? Rice. Rice you should eat, no children. It's a good for health. See children, which are the healthy foods? Grains. See here, grains are healthy. Chips are unhealthy. Finger fries are also unhealthy, children. What are these? Fruits. Fruits are healthy food. Milk is also healthy for us, children. This is a kind of a drink and the chips are there. This is unhealthy. This is vegetables is healthy. Rice is also healthy food, children. These are the good foods which are very helpful to our health. Next, they have asked you some questions. For that, you should do a tick mark. Wash your hands before meals. Is it true or not, children? You should wash your hands before meals. Yes, you should wash your hands. Otherwise, what will happen? All impurities which are in your hand, that will go inside the stomach. Daily, you should wash your hands before your meals. So, wash your hands before meals. Is it correct or wrong? Yes, it is correct. So, in the dash, I will put a right mark. Next, watch television the whole day. Children, is it good habit or bad habit? Watching television the whole day? Are you agree with me? Watching television is a good habit? No. Whole day, for some time you should watch. If you watch whole day, means what will happen? It will affect on your eyes. So, for some time, for an hour or 2 hours, you should watch television. For whole day watching television is not good for us. So, in the blank, what I should do? I will put a wrong mark, cross mark. Next, brush your teeth before you go to bed at night. Children, is it good for health? Yes. Before you go to bed, what you should do? You should brush your teeth. Whether it is a good habit or bad habit, children, it's a good habit. So, I will put a right mark. Next, eat a lot of fried food. Children, what will happen if you eat more fried food? Fried food means what will happen? You will fall sick. They have given a lot of fried food is good for health. No, we should eat a limited. Whenever for 15 days, 20 days, we should eat a fried food. Lot of fried food is not good for health, children. So, I should put right or wrong here? Yes, I will put a cross mark. Next, drink at least 8 glasses of water in a day. Children, I told you no, you should drink 7 to 8 glasses of water in a day. So, it is right or wrong? Yes, it is correct. So, I will put a right mark. So, children, how many healthy habits we studied? We studied 5 healthy habits. You should follow it, children. This is about the how to be healthy, children. So, this is about the how to be healthy. In the last topic, children, what we are going to study, it's very easy chapter, children. I hope you will do it. That is odd one out. Odd one out. So, all of you turn the page, children, 246. Turn page number 246. What they have given, odd one out means, if an object does not fit into a group, then it is the odd one out. The object which is not in that group, that is called odd one out. An apple in a basket of oranges is the odd one out. See, children, there are 5 oranges in one basket. If one apple is there in the basket, means which is the odd one out? It is orange, because apple. Apple is the odd one out. So, you should recognize the which is the odd one. Find the odd one. See children, first what it is? Are you able to recognize this picture? It is called brinjal. This is mango. 3 mangoes and 1 brinjal. Now tell me here, which is the odd one? Think it. 3 mangoes and 1 brinjal. Which one is the odd one here? Yes, it's a brinjal. So what you will do? For brinjal, you will put a circle like this because it is odd one. Next, what is this, children? What you call this? Chair, bus, chair. How many chairs, children? 1, 2, 3 chairs. How many buses are here? Only 1. Which is the odd one here, children? Think it. Can you tell me? Yes, it's a bus. So, you should circle this bus. Next, what is this? This is sunflower. What is this? Rose. This is sunflower. 2 sunflowers and 1 rose. And which is the odd one here? Think it. Yes, it's a rose is the odd one. Next, what is this, children? Teddy bear. This is teddy bear. And what is this? This is a scooter. Tell me which is the odd one here? Think it. Yes, it's a scooter is the odd one. Like this you can make many more, children. Which are the odd ones? You should do practice, children. It's a very easy odd one out. I think you got clear now, children, about odd one out. It's very simple. So children, in this session we have discussed indoor games, how to be healthy and odd one out. Children, you once more go through all these topics, children. In the next session, I will be coming with new more topics. Thank you, children. Have a good day.